Are you ready for order? Do you want to order more to go?
Already.
Whoever wants to start.
Wings and the salad.
The wings and the salad? Okay, and what choices would you like to bring down for?
Can you do this?
Yeah, I definitely can. Do you want spicy cutlery or regular?